This is the new HYRZ-902 Frequency Response Analyzer. First, click the triangle high voltage side. Click for DLT911 2016. This is the wiring diagram. Then click Start. What are the advantages of the new model over the old model? It's no need to connect these cumbersome accessories of the old model. The new model has the advantages of fewer accessories, better accessories, and easier wiring. Prepare for the next test indicates that we need to change the lines. Let's start the next test. There are 3 trials. 3 curves will be compared. After comparison, there is a result to evaluate. Prepare for the test indicates that we need to change the lines. Start the third test. After tests, click Analyze. Go back to the previous step and click Data. Each set of data can be queried. The left column is the frequency value. The second column is the dB value. Then the test in the sweep mode of DLT911 2016 is finished.